Hey guys, I am back, okay? So I've been ordering a ton of cool stuff for our YouTube channel. I've got some stuff here. I think one of them is the new Galaxy Edge thingy-majiggy. Not Edge, whatever you call it. Crap, but it's the new 24. So my old Android phone, the screen cracked. I don't know how it cracked. So then I was looking for a new phone. And I said, hey, this is a great opportunity for me to get a new phone for the channel and for me to replace my broken phone. So I got the best phone, Samsung phone that they had available. So that way we can produce high quality 4K video for you guys. So we're gonna be doing an unboxing. So I know one of these boxes have the phone. I don't know what the other box has. So we're gonna figure it out. If I were to use my skills of deduction, I would say the smaller phone has the Galaxy phone. I think it's called the Galaxy Ultra thingy-majiggy. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this bad boy up. And we're gonna see what is in here. So let us open this package. When people talk about retail therapy, I never understood it. But since I've been ordering stuff for the business, I'm starting to understand about making yourself feel better by buying stuff. So this is the Samsung phone. Okay, there we go. Okay, you can see the full table too. Okay, so checking out production, parameters and whatnot. So don't care about the box. Okay, I really thought that was gonna go far. It did not. Looked like they got it wrapped up really good. So they got a nice wrap into it. I like that. Ooh, okay. They're taking care of my phone. Ooh-wee. It's got a nice box. I like it. The Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's like a sleek little nice smooth thing. All right, so this is what this phone is gonna be using right here. So I'm gonna have my iPhone recording the way it is, and then I'm gonna have my S24 Ultra. I'm gonna have it, you know, freaking like at this angle so you can get the smoothness and all the fine details of it. So it's gonna be good. Do not accept if seals are broken. I will not accept it. So this is a beautiful phone. It looked very nice online. The box is very well sealed. Everything looks legit. I bought it direct from the Samsung factory. Ooh-wee! This baby looks beautiful. So I got the 1 terabyte version. It ended up costing like $1,700. It's crazy. Because ask me like 5 years ago if I would ever spend $1,700 on a phone. And I would tell you no way in hell. But look at me now doing stuff for business. Wow, this phone is beautiful. Wow. I love the feel of it. I like rectangular stuff. I hate rounded edges. Rounded edges piss me off. But this is very rectangular. I love it. It's titanium. There are 5 goddamn cameras in the back. So there are 5 cameras with the 24 Ultra. I am not no phone geek. I'm not gonna be getting into tech details on it or whatever. But I love the feel of it. The feel of it feels beautiful. Feels great. I got titanium gray. I'm gonna go ahead. Oh man, I don't even want to peel off the screen thingy. I remember when I got my first phone, not the first phone, the last one I got, it came with like a clear plastic thing. I never took the clear plastic off for like years until it like finally like ripped off. And then I finally took the thing out. So it comes with a cord. This pisses me off, man. How do you buy a phone and then you don't have the fucking block for it? This pissed me off. These people, we are really letting these people get away with not freaking with not giving us the block charger. That is wild, yo. Why are we as a society letting people letting these companies get away. And it's not just Samsung, it's iPhone, and I think Apple started off that garbage. But that's crazy. And I refuse. I was gonna buy phones for my employees, but I refuse to buy any phones for employees if it don't come with the charger. Y'all are crazy. I'm literally just buying this phone because I need a phone and I'm gonna be using it for work and YouTube and stuff like that. Other than that, I would try my hardest to not buy a phone until they freaking give us the charging blocks back. But I know that is not a popular opinion. I'm mostly by myself on that one. So yeah, I got folks that want to buy a new phone every goddamn year. I'm not one of those guys. So yeah, it's been about like 5 years since I got my last phone. My last phone, what was it? It was before they started jumping to like the 20s. It was the Samsung whatever. And then now they're jumping into like 24s, 20s, 21s, whatever. But yeah, it was 5 years ago I got a phone. The box is very nice. It's very sleek. I'm always looking to repurpose stuff, so I might be able to repurpose this box. This is how economical I am. I always tell people it's not how much you make, it's how much you keep. So you want to make sure that you always keep as much of your money as possible. So what's in here? Okay, there's nothing in here. So that is the mystery box. I will be doing a detailed review on this. Damn, I don't even want to touch it. This is, but yeah, so I'm gonna do a detailed review at some point. But my other phone screen is cracked, so I need to, I need a phone. So, we'll check that out later. So, and then I gotta data transfer all this stuff and whatnot. So, now, I have no idea what's in this box. I've ordered a lot of crap, and the stuff that I'm thinking in my head doesn't fit in here. And this says, the box says that it's 2 pounds or less. So what the hell did I order that's 2 pounds or less that's in here? I got no idea. Oh, snap. It's the iPad. It's the iPad. Wow, I can't believe the iPad is really tiny. Okay, so I had the iPad Pro. So my iPad Pro is a lot bigger than this one. So that's why I didn't think this iPad would fit. I'm actually really surprised that it fit. So I bought the 9th generation iPad. I'm going to be using it for my POS system. So that's what we're going to be using to sell in the store and whatnot. We'll be using the iPad. So yeah, so I will be unboxing this later with the rest of the stuff that we have for the POS system for the store. And yeah, that's it. So I got me another cable. I got a million cables, but I want more charging blocks. So, okay, so the iPad is here. And then I got my phone, which I'm going to be swapping over all the data from my old phone over to here. And then, yeah, but this is very beautiful. I love the feel of it. It's smooth. I've been waiting for this for about 3 days now. So I'm actually really happy it came in. So we have another phone that shoots in 4K and all that cool stuff to help with the videos. And then, yeah, so we're adding more stuff to the plate. So thanks for watching. If there's anything else that you think I may need for production, feel free to leave a comment below. Like I said, I am just figuring everything out. I don't have some master strategy. And when I teach my entrepreneur courses, I always tell people you don't have to have everything figured out. So take one step at a time. You're going to figure out the things that you need to know. And, you know, you're going to move along. So, cool. Ciao, people. Catch you later. Bye. Leaf Village gang. Gang, gang.